Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Clair Obscur 33 error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to Steam. From Steam, go over to Library and just look for Clair Obscur. Once you find it, right click on it and hit Properties. From Properties, make your way over to Installed Files, and then go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. And what this basically does is that it just checks to see if there are any corrupt or missing files, and it will fix that error code or fix that issue. Now that is one method in fixing this error code. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar and typing in Device Manager. From the Device Manager tab, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to Display Adapters. From Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and select Search Automatically for drivers. Now this is one way in updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to the GeForce Experience app directly if you are on NVIDIA. And if you are on AMD, you can go ahead and select or go through the AMD equivalent app. Or you can also download them directly from the Google or any search browser manually by installing them, but I recommend just using the app because it's easier. But anyways, go over to drivers, and then from drivers click on check for updates. If you haven't updated, we'll go ahead and say download, and then you can go ahead and download the update. Now once you're done with that, you guys should be good to go. I also highly recommend restarting your PC as well after, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.